Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Once again, I'm continuing my fragrance talk on Guy Fawkes fragrances, and this one is called Grant. Now Grant contains top notes of cactus, pear, orange, and lavender, and in the mid we have ginger, geranium, cinnamon, base notes of sandalwood, patchouli, and musk. Now this one, it's basically a spicy, woody fragrance. So you probably smell plenty of those, but this one isn't what I would call a generic or bland take on that theme at all. This one actually has some unique notes and spins on that type of fragrance that make it kind of interesting. You get some geranium and also the cactus. And you don't see cactus a lot in fragrances, but this one I do pick up on that cactus note here, and it kind of reminds me of like an Old West type barbershop accord. Imagine you're a cowboy from the 1800s out in the Old West, and you go into this salon to get a haircut and shave, and the barber slaps some cactus water tonic on your face and neck. That's kind of the effect you might get here. But that's not a real strong effect. It's just there, along with the spices from the cinnamon and the ginger and the sandalwood. So it does have a slight familiar feel to it, but at the same time, it does come across as unique and different. It just kind of has that feel to it. Now, I think this is a fragrance that will appeal to pretty much anybody that likes spicy, woody fragrances. I think if you like spicy, woody fragrances, you're going to like this one. Even if you're new to fragrances, you'll probably like it. If you're kind of tired of smelling the same old thing, especially with the Ambroxan craze going on right now at Macy's and whatnot, I think you'll appreciate the fact that this one, has that different spin on it from the cactus and geranium. So, yeah, kind of a nice fragrance. As is the case with many of the Guy Fawkes fragrances, though, it does have sort of this slight, transparent, airy feel, which makes it great for office wear, daily wear. Very versatile, easy to wear for seasons of the year. Probably more so in the warmer weather when it might boost the performance, though. So yeah, if you're looking for a unique different take on a spicy sandalwood, give this one a try. See what you think with that cactus note in there to give it sort of like almost like a cowboy barbershop feel to it. So yeah, I'm kind of liking this one. Now, when I say I like it, I mean it smells nice. It's something that just would fit as like a easy to wear, daily wear fragrance. Not something that you're going to probably wear to the club to try to draw attention to yourself. It's not really what this type of fragrance is going to do. But if you're just looking for something that you can wear, not going to really, make a big cologne guy presence of yourself, but just something that you'll smell on yourself throughout the day, and you might get noticed by a few others as well. This one could be a good one to check out. Final scores here. The smell, I'll give it 7 out of 10. Now, when I first smelled it, I was thinking 7.5 out of 10, but I think the reason I did that was because when I first smelled it, the quirkiness and the uniqueness of it really drew me in. But as I've worn it a couple more times, that feeling kind of wore off, and I just kind of took it for what it is, just a nice but not spectacular fragrance, but just a nice fragrance. Projection longevity, I'll say 6 out of 10 because I think it does become more of a skin scent rather quickly. I didn't get any feedback at all on this one at work, but I could smell it on myself. I'll say 2 to 4 hours. It's more of a skin scent type thing. Versatility, 8 out of 10 because I think this one, because it isn't so loud and obnoxious like a lot of fragrances, it's just something you can wear every day, especially at work. If you like spicy, woody fragrances, but looking for something a little bit unique and different. Price point, $50, 50 ml. Uniqueness, I'll say 8 out of 10. Once again, these Guy Fawkes fragrances are quite unique. So that's what really gets your attention, especially like someone like myself that's been smelling fragrances for many, many years, and it's hard to find unique and different fragrances. I mean, how many different notes are there, and how many different ways are there to combine notes and keep your interest? Well, this one might be one to check out. So overall, for me, 7 out of 10. Spicy, woody, unique cactus, geranium in there as well, with some cinnamon and some ginger. Give one to check out if you're in the spicy, woody fragrances. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later.